Today here we have Shashidhar sir, Senior Manager, Industrialization, Collins Aerospace. Hello sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, you have lots of experience in your aerospace field. So what's your opinion about this drone development challenge and what you like to say to this younger generation, sir?
Yeah, good afternoon. The main appreciation to Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology and SAE India Southern Section for facilitating such a wonderful event and making it a success. The main outcome of this event, I can tell, we went with new generation people, their thoughts, their ambitions, and it's really a great platform for the learning. And there are very senior judges, technical experts who gave their feedbacks. And one more beauty about the next generation, which is in a very safe hand now, we can believe that it is in a very safe hand, mainly because of their thoughts, the entrepreneurship ideas, and the out of the box thinking. That was one of the critical point. Even SAE had told about it. The out of box thinking about the new generation is amazing. Most of the team had not repeated the same ideas. And the main intention of all the state governments and central governments are make in India. We are going in made in India now. We have to go to the make in India. That should be the future aspects and prospects of the future generation. We have to manufacture all the parts here and assemble the parts here. That is the new what you call opportunity for the growth of India. So I think India is in a safe hand of a new generation, and all the best for everything.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.